I thought I would do something a little bit different this week, and instead of, cooking a recipe, I am talking about snacks. I know that so many of you struggle with snacks and keeping them healthy, keeping them nutritious, keeping them sustaining. So that's what I'm going to be talking about today. I've got a whole array of snacks that I am enjoying at the moment. And I just wanted to share them with you. My name is Wick Nixon from Wellbeing, and I'm all about healthy eating made easy. So, where to start? I'll start with my favourite, which is my absolute favourite at the moment. Haven't been doing it for very long, but it's a banana, which I peel. And then someone saw me doing, Ollie, my son, saw me doing this the other day, and he said, since when did we stuff bananas with peanut butter? But it is the absolute best. Then I take a sharp knife, and I don't go all the way through, but I just pierce open that banana like that, and then I get my crunchy peanut butter, and it's got to be crunchy all the way, with peanut butter, with anything for me. And then I just put that in the middle of my banana all the way down and eat that as it is. Peanut butter, any sort of peanut butter, nut butter is a great snack because it's really good, good form of protein. It's also good form of healthy fats. The nut butters are, better nutritionally, but they are more expensive. So that's my next one. I make these seedy crackers. If you've got my cookbook, Healthy Lunchbox Love, this recipe is in there. And on my events that I've been doing recently, these have been my snacks. So I just take a couple of crackers and put peanut butter in the middle. I learnt this from a friend actually, and she's all over peanut butter crackers. Put that like that, and oh my goodness, so Moorish. So that's peanut butter. Also peanut butter on apple slices, amazing. Green Granny Smith apples are the absolute best, but we can't get those at the moment when they're not in season. I'm very much about seasonal. So, and you just cut those into slices and then spread some peanut butter over each slice, and the crunch and the freshness. And if you haven't tried it, just make sure that you try that. Okay. So then some other snack ideas. I've got some roasted chickpeas here. So you just cook up some normal chickpeas, and then you slow roast, put a little bit of oil on them and some spices like cumin and coriander and chili flakes, and just slow roast them in the oven. So they do take a while. You need to keep on rotating them. Again, if you've got my Healthy Lunchbox Love cookbook, there's a recipe in there for those. Hummus, a good old goodie, but an oldie hummus with chopped vegetable sticks. Really, I always have hummus in the fridge. If I haven't made my own, I just get one from the supermarket. Always forgotten, but hard-boiled eggs. These aren't actually hard-boiled, but it doesn't matter. They're such a great protein snack, really sustaining, and they just give you such a great energy boost. Yogurt. So I make my own easy yogurt. I have Greek unsweetened, and I'll have that with some LSA, which is a combination of ground up linseeds, pumpkin, sunflower, and almonds. I put pumpkin in. It's not actually in the name. And then I'll have some blueberries in it. Have you tried these blueberries? This is Orchard Gold. I have had them at the retreat in the weekend, and they are sensational. They have got so many amazing flavours. But these are feijoa and Hemp Hearts, and the bursts of flavour that you get when you have them, just so fantastic. So I'll have those with about a third of a cup of natural unsweetened Greek yogurt, because that's your protein. And then I might put some nuts in it, or some LSA, and that's a awesome snack. Corn thins, these are the ones that I buy. These are multi-grain, love them. They're kind of thin. I find the other ones too thick. These are often what I have for lunch, and I just have them as sandwiches and put all my fillings in the middle. But as a snack, I might have a can of tuna, and I'll put some avocado on it. Or sometimes I'm a little bit random and I put peanut butter and avocado because I know that that's a really good combination of protein and healthy fats. And I've got a little bit of carbohydrates in here, so that's a really good, because what you're always trying to do is making sure you're getting those food groups in, because that's what's going to keep you sustained. You know, so your healthy fats, your proteins, some slow release carbohydrates, or that can be from leafy green vegetables, and as many veggies in as possible as well. So that's the natural yogurt. Guacamole, I did a video last week making a divine guacamole. Often, because avocados are so abundant and cheap at the moment, it's such a great way just to mash up some avocado, throw some spring onions and tomatoes and coriander and lime juice and garlic and oil and all those amazing flavors, and make a guacamole. And then you can put that onto rice wafers, or you can have it on my favorite all-time multigrain Mexicano corn chips. I don't get paid to recommend these products. It's just what I really love, and I know that you enjoy finding out about products as well. Tonight I'm doing a post about all the products that we enjoyed over the weekend in my retreat, so keep an eye out for that, because it's just like they're all in one post so that you can see them and hopefully go and try them as well. So all the product was sponsored, and so it's a way of me giving back to my sponsors and saying thank you. So I think that is it. Oh, I've got lettuce leaves here, which if you don't want the carbohydrates, then you can use lettuce leaves and do rolls of tuna, avocado, veggies, and roll those up. Or yesterday I did an egg roll, so that's another really nice idea as well. So I feel like I've just gone, wow, just blah. If you want a free ebook, which is nutritious and energy dense snacks, then head to wickedwellbeing.com/snacks. I'll put the link below, and that has got 5 snack recipes, and it's also got a list of all of these things that I've talked about that you can print out and put onto your fridge or just have handy when you get stuck. So that's wickedwellbeing.com/snacks, but I'll put the link below. So I would love you to tell me, what are your favorite snacks that you are enjoying at the moment? Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again next week. Bye.